In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add numbers to Aircall in just 5 minutes. Whether you're setting up a new line for your team or expanding your existing phone network, this process is straightforward and easy to follow. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you like. Once it's up and running, go to the search bar and type in Aircall. You're looking for a quick way to get to the Aircall website. Generally, the first link or the one with the URL aircall.io will be your target. Go ahead and click on it to enter the site. Once you're on the Aircall homepage, the next step is to log into your account. If you already have your credentials saved, this should be a breeze. If not, make sure you have your username and password handy to gain access. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Navigate your attention to the Numbers section. This section is crucial for managing all the phone numbers associated with your account. Clicking on it will guide you to the area where you can add new numbers. Now comes the exciting part. Look for the Create a Number button. Clicking on it will present you with options for different types of numbers you can create. You might see choices like a classic number or an IVR number. Decide which one suits your needs best. A classic number is generally used for direct lines, while an IVR number is excellent if you're setting up an interactive voice response system. Select the type that aligns with your operational goals. Next, you'll need to choose the location and type of the number you'd like to set up. This is where you specify the area code and any regional considerations your business might have. Being specific here helps tailor the number to best fit your customer's location and communication needs. With that decided, you're going to give your new number a unique name. This is not just for fun. It's extremely helpful to keep things organized, especially if you plan on adding multiple numbers. Think of a name that clearly identifies the number's purpose or department. Once the name is set, it's time to confirm your setup. Review all the details you've entered to ensure they are accurate. If everything looks good, move on to configure your call distribution logic in the settings. This step is essential for directing incoming calls to the right person or team. The settings area provides various options for how calls should be routed, enabling you to shape the flow of communication as needed. And there you have it. In these few simple steps, you've added a new number to Aircall. Whether handling increased call volumes or expanding your customer service capabilities, integrating new numbers can make a significant impact. Thanks for watching, and happy calling.